confirmation bias, our tendency to notice, focus on, and give greater importance to information that supports our existing beliefs. But how is this ruining your life? Let's say you think you have no power to change your life. You think life has no meaning. Then, according to the confirmation bias, you look for facts that support your beliefs. You will probably look around and look for other people who are on the same boat or feel like shit. Nihilistic, desperate, and hopeless people. And funny enough, you'll become even more convinced that life sucks. But it also can work in your favor. If you start believing that life is full of opportunities and it's a gift, you'll start again to look for information that supports your beliefs. You will start looking for people around you who actually feel great about their lives, who are happy, grateful for what they have. You'll start noticing that there are plenty of opportunities to improve your life, to learn new things, to make experiences, to meet people. You notice what you ask your mind to notice. Feed your mind with greatness and you'll be great. Feed your mind with hopelessness and you'll be hopeless. Open your mind and you'll find patterns and opportunities. Close your mind and you'll see desperation. Have you ever heard about the red car effect? If I asked you, how many red cars did you see the last time you drove your car? You probably don't know the answer, right? But why? It's because you were not actively looking for it. But if before I had told you, for every red car you see, I'll pay you $50 cash, you would have noticed every red car on the road. Your mind will find what you'll actively look for. This works for everything. Your mind is a pattern recognition machine. It always scans the environment, looking for what supports your beliefs. If you change the goal, your perspective changes and you start noticing different patterns and opportunities that before you didn't see. So how can I make the confirmation bias work in my favor? You need to change your beliefs. Beliefs is what actually produces your actions. If you don't believe you have the power to change, you won't act to change, and so you won't change at all. If instead you believe you can, you'll change, since you'll believe your actions have the power of changing reality around you. What you need to do is what I call belief switches, changing a self-limiting belief with a more useful and hopeful belief. For example, you stop talking about limitations and you start talking about opportunities. The same goes for pain. Stop talking about pain, start talking about growth. Pain should always be seen as a challenge. If you transform your perception of pain into challenge, you'll see opportunities to grow everywhere. Never passively live pain. Always make something out of it. Sometimes, when you're in a dark place, you think you've been buried, but actually, you've been planted. This works for everything else. Solitude becomes an excuse to work harder. Boredom becomes an engine to be more creative. There are no facts, only interpretations. Take advantage of this by changing how you interpret your circumstances. You need to be an architect. You need to design your belief system intentionally, eliminating what makes you feel like and adding beliefs that make you improve. Your belief system is a great predictor of your destiny. It decides what you'll notice and consequently what you'll do. Remember, things don't change unless you change, and action is the only real change. But to change your actions, you first need to change your beliefs. So, I'll give you an exercise. Write down 3 beliefs that you have that make you feel bad about yourself and your life. Write them down and comment them under this video. I'll answer to all the comments and I'll try to give you an alternative. And as usual, I'll see you in the next one.